The TJF-Q190V reprocessing manual and supplemental instructions contain the cleaning, disinfection, and sterilization methods recommended by Olympus for the TJF-Q190V Duodenoscope. These instructions contain information essential to reprocessing the endoscope and accessories safely and effectively. Before reprocessing, thoroughly review the TJF-Q190V reprocessing manual and the manuals of the reprocessing equipment and chemicals that will be used for reprocessing. This video is provided to demonstrate steps necessary for reprocessing the TJF-Q190V Duodenoscope. Confirm that all accessories, namely the air-water valve, the suction valve, and the biopsy valve, are detached from the endoscope. Confirm that all surfaces of the endoscope and accessories are dry. Place the endoscope's angulation locks in the F position. Move the elevator control lever in the opposite direction of the U direction until the forceps elevator stops, and confirm that the instrument channel outlet of the distal end is opened. Store the disinfected endoscope and accessories properly.